All right, so now you have your product you want to promote, an affiliate product, maybe it's a network marketing company. So how do you promote it? How do you sell it? How do you do it on the internet? That's what we're going to be talking about here in today's video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mike Hobbs. I've been a full-time internet marketer since 2007. I love helping people make money on the internet. You can find out more about me at whoismikehobbs.com. So today's video, I wanted to break down the number one page that somebody should have if they're promoting either an affiliate product, a network marketing company. Really doesn't really matter what product or service that you're selling. If you want to do it on the internet, what's the best way to do it? That's the one page I'm going to be telling you about today. And now keep in mind, you're going to need some kind of funnel builder or some kind of way to build pages to do that. In the description of this YouTube video, I will have a recommended funnel builder that you should check out. But anyway, so the one page, what do you need? I actually call this a bridge page, okay? A bridge video or a bridge page to whatever it is you're selling. Now, I have used bridge pages in my business to win #1 affiliate contests for, some top reputable marketers out there. I've used it to be a top earner in a network marketing business. I've used it to pretty much sell anything that I've sold on the internet. Now, why is a bridge page so important? Let me show you my screen real quick. This is just an example of a bridge page. Like when someone opts into one of my lead magnets, I call it, they get this quick little bridge page where it says, "Thank you for downloading my checklist. I just sent it. Watch this video first." And then I have a link to the product that I'm selling. Now, this formula could work for anything. Now, why is it so important that you have this? Well, in the old days, right, people used to build relationships one-on-one through just personal contact, right? They would call up their friend, they'd meet them in person, they'd have a personal conversation, then they'd sell them a product, and then usually they bought it or whatever. So the bridge page was you, right? Back in the old days. Now on the internet, a lot of people think that they could just skip the relationship part. Just skip it, Let's just go straight to my product I'm selling. Let's just send this link out. Let's just spam it all over Facebook, and let's just promote it everywhere. And then they don't get any results and they wonder why. Well, it's because there's no relationship built. So why I build these bridge pages, and again, you can insert any text here. In fact, it could be selling, weight loss. You could be like, how I lost 30 pounds in 60 days, or whatever your story is. That could be your headline. You can have a quick video saying, hey man, I just used this product. It's changed my life. It's working really well for me. It's working well for my team members. And I wanted to introduce that to you below. So click on the link below. Check out the product. I love it. I use it every single day. Just check it out and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here. I'm a real person. You can contact me. Here's my contact info. Click the link below. Go check that video out. Now, what that did is it kind of pre-framed someone before they watch the sales pitch, right? Before they watch the video or whatever you're doing to sell that weight loss product. Now you inserted your story, just inserted you in the equation. You let them know that you're a real person. They can contact you, and that works so much better. I've done this with every single product I've ever sold on the internet. Whenever I have a tool that I'm selling, what I would do is I would do a quick little bridge video, and I'd say, hey, these are the 3 reasons I really love this tool. I give them the 3 reasons. Click on the link below to find out more about it. Now, you don't even have to mention the company name here, right? You could just send people to a bridge video. Now, and you need to do this no matter what you're selling. So if someone's telling you to just blast out your affiliate link, blast out your replicated website, it's wrong. You should insert yourself into the equation. You should insert at least a video, at a bare minimum, upload it to YouTube and send them the YouTube video, right? But I personally believe you should put it on a page like this, where you can have a quick little headline. You can have a video, and then you can have a link going to the product or service that you're selling. This is the formula for a bridge page, and there's more training on that inside the funnel builder that I'm going to recommend. So in the description of this YouTube video, there is a recommended funnel builder that I'm going to recommend you do. I like it because it's only $25 a month, whereas a lot of the other ones out there, $97, $300 a month. I recommend the funnel builder that we have in the description because it's only 25 bucks. And a lot of people, all you need is a bridge video. All you need is a bridge page. You don't even need capture pages. You don't need anything else. You can literally lead with the bridge page on your personal contacts. Make sure people get to know, like, and trust you before they get shoved into your product sales pitch, right? So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, drop a comment. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more marketing tips. I'll be uploading on a weekly basis, and appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.